Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. We're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes. We're doing a double jive clip showing you how to do a push spin with two ladies. So that looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the technique we've done in the previous double jive clips applies. Obviously knowing how to do a normal push spin will be helpful, link in the description below. And because you're only using one hand, a straight push isn't going to do it, because a straight push of course would lead the ladies to walk straight backwards because there's no rotation involved. So what we have to do in our prep is we've done our prep, but we stroke down in a circle around the ladies to get rotation as opposed to translation. So let's break it down. We go semicircles and back. It's guys right to ladies right, guys left to ladies right. We're going to bring the ladies towards us. Guys, you're going to brace yourself so you're in a nice strong position so you can go flat to get a nice strong block. You're going to stroke down to the left to get the ladies into their spin, catch as they come round down to the left, return the ladies, and we are done. Let's do the same thing from the other side so you get the other view. So we go back 1, nice strong prep 2, down to the side 3, catching 4, returning 5 and back 6. Let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, a push, spin, we go a back, flat, spin, catch, return, and you're there. Simple as that. Nice and quick. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end when the little windows come up in the last few seconds of the clip. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.